All right, let's jump right in. This is a must-have skill for anyone who works with data.
So, here's a classic problem. Raw data, it's almost always a complete and utter mess.
But don't worry, there's a super clear way to turn this chaos into something actually useful.
We're going to follow a simple 3-step plan to get this data ready for action.
Okay, step 1. First, we've got to get our data into Python. We'll be using pandas for that.
And believe it or not, it just takes a couple of lines of code. That's it.
All right, now for the really crucial part, the cleanup. Let's tackle the usual suspects.
First up, duplicate rows. We'll find them and we'll get rid of them. Simple as that.
Next, those dates are all over the place. Let's get them into one standard, usable format.
And boom! Look at that! From a messy text string to a clean, proper date.
What about missing sales numbers? Well, we can just fill those gaps in with the average.
But if something critical is missing, like a customer name, yeah, just drop that whole row.
Okay, our data is clean. Now we can transform it to find some real insights.
For instance, we can create a whole new category, like sorting sales into high or low.
We can also pull out useful bits from our clean dates, like the year and month.
See, the whole point here is to set up our data so we can find those hidden patterns. So let's put it to the test. We'll calculate the total sales for every single customer.
And there it is, the big payoff, a perfectly clean table, all ready for analysis.
This whole process, data cleaning, is absolutely fundamental. You have to do it first, always.
So remember these key steps. It's all about building your analysis on a solid foundation.
So here's a final thought for you. Why does the order matter so much? What could go wrong?